Alright, so this is my 2003 Bissell Cleanview Revolution or Powertrak, whichever you'd like to call it. I think it's a Powertrak. Man, this is just great. I actually recently cleaned out all the plastic, and I haven't used it since I did that, but when I cleaned it, the top filter got all cloudy. And I don't know if that's something you can fix. I don't think it is, but oh well. Not this vacuum. I remember the red version of this vacuum was like the first vacuum I had ever used. So this is nuts. And I've been looking for just one of the Cleanview Powertraks for, 2009, so 10 years. Nope, 11 years, actually. So, man. Yeah, this was my family's household vacuum until like 2007, and then we got a Eureka Ultima, right? Yeah, Ultima. Which, I don't care about nearly as much as I care about this vacuum, to be honest. Man, it is so great to have this thing. And what's even better is that it's like pristine. And when I say pristine, it's wow. I have no idea why the motor sounds so clean and sounds great. I don't know why that is. I'm not complaining, however. Man, this thing is just so clean and in good condition. I can't believe I have it. So, that was a video on my 2003 Cleanview Powertrak, and I hope you enjoyed.